All right, last one, everybody. So let's continue with our look at questions from your Hamlet unit test. And the final one is question 5. So a reminder, this is unit test 9.18, and questions 1, 2, and 3 are single paragraph, one paragraph answers with a quote and at least 5 sentences. Questions 4 and 5 are your choice. You choose 4 or 5. And when you respond to 4 or 5, you will write a 5-paragraph response. So there's another video that goes over question 4. Let's look at question 5. 4 is about Hamlet and his foils. All right. Now let's look at question 5. It's here at the top in purple. Why is the idea of playing a role or acting a part so important to Hamlet over the course of the play? How does role playing affect several major events in the plot and the relationships between various characters? So essentially, the question is, why does Hamlet act the way he does? What is his purpose? And you need to show that in 3 different events. So choose 3 major events from the play of Hamlet and make those your body paragraphs. So you'll do an introductory paragraph that tells us a little bit about Hamlet and role playing. And then 3 events, that will be your introduction paragraph. And then the 3 events will be body paragraphs, which include quotes from the event and an explanation of Hamlet and role playing and how it has to do with what's happening in the play, how it affects the action. And then you'll continue with paragraph 2, body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3, doing the same thing with different events. So you may choose the play within a play, you may choose other events, perhaps the fencing duel, times when you can explain role playing. It may be spying, it may be pretending, it may be following directions, it may be acting. There are many choices, so you're just going to choose 3 that you understand and can analyze and explain well and relate it to Hamlet and the relationships between different characters. And then you'll conclude with a conclusion paragraph that doesn't really give us any new information. It just wraps everything up in a bow. You're going to restate what you've said in the most simplest terms, or rewrite your introduction paragraph in new words and wrap it up with a conclusion. So once again, I'll just repeat, 4 and 5 is a choice. You choose 4 or 5, and you write a 5-paragraph response for one of those, 4 or 5. And then that will be it. You're answering 1, 2, 3, and 4 or 5, saving it and turning it into 9.18 as your Hamlet unit test that is due this week. Have a wonderful winter break. I hope to see you, but I'm not sure if I will since things are a little tricky. Thanks so much. Bye, everyone.